Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now, we have always had our eye on fresh talent and have mostly featured singers and DJs. Now, today, we want to mix up a little bit and feature a young musician that caught our eye. Now, we're going to welcome drummer and percussionist Mark Anthony Reid. Mark, use the whole name.
Hey, Mark.
Mark, what's up?
Hey. I'm there, you know.
Mark.
Where you there, Mark?
Where are you,
Where you
Mark?
there?
Oh, where at? So, first of all, I'm in Jamaica. That is
No.
important
I can't see you, Mark.
You
But
can't
you
see
know-
me. Oh, because I kind of da. You see my hands? You see the hands?
We can see you
Yeah?
now. Hi, Mark. So here's
All
the
right.
thing. You
Hey.
caught our eye from a video that you did drumming to Jazz Elise's Fresh and Clean song. How long have you
Right,
been
yeah.
drumming? And you know, why did you decide to take it up?
So to the first question, how long?
Yeah.
I don't know. A while. But I started it because I loved it. When I was very young, it jumped out at me and it gave me peace. It made me feel good, and I think I had an ability, you know.
Nice.
So I just continued. Yeah.
Now, is there a famous drummer or percussionist that has inspired you? Somebody who you look up to and say, you know, I want to be like this person.
Yeah, man. Too many. What would have the time?
Hey.
I give us two out of the many.
So there are a lot internationally, but I just gotta keep it local.
Yes.
So in terms of percussionists who are local, I always look up to and learn from Feluke, who is Denver. And
Yeah.
of course, you guys know
General,
Hector Lewis,
yeah.
Hector Lewis, a friend of mine, roots percussionist. Those are two percussionists. And in terms of drummers, you
the other
have
one.
too many to name. There's the great Kirk Dove, Kurt Bennett. There's Dorian Green. There's Kenny Delisa. There's a drummer named Joel Grant.
Super
It's
sad.
too many to name.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man.
There's a few.
So, all right.
Hey, you know,
all
I
right.
know these things, you know what I'm saying. So
Wow.
tell us, who have you played?
Go, Nisha.
I love drumming though. It speaks to my soul. I'm just saying, it's my favorite.
Yeah.
Anyway,
Mine too.
who have you played for or, you know, worked with that week?
I mean, I've been blessed to be able to share the stage, both as a drummer and a percussionist, with Kevin Downswell at one point, or some American gospel artists. I've shared the stage with Jesse Royal. I've shared the stage with Luciano, with George Nooks. I did some short work with the Mighty Diamonds, you know, that's mighty work. I did some work on Yellowman's most recent album. Just to name a few, so I'm very grateful.
Nisha a while ago said that she loves it, like she really loves it. But why aren't more women, we'll find more women who drum or more women drummers?
So there are there, but I feel like we don't have enough time left in the segment, in the show to discuss it.
I'll give me one reason. Give me one reason. Just
because I
one,
try to
just
learn
one,
to drum
just
and
one.
y'all just throw me out.
Yeah. Okay, so I definitely don't want to sound sexist in this, but I know too many, or I know a few female drummers who are equally as good as many male drummers. The sad reality is that it may be a very I don't know. You know, like them say, it's a man's world. Is a very sad thing.
I hear
and
you.
it happens across the board, and we know that, not just in music, but in sports as well. Is a sad thing.
Wow.
Lovely.
Okay.
All right. So you're gonna play something special for us. What is it?
All right. So real quick. So I released a song today. Thankfully, for like the last decade has allowed music to get to the point where I can be an artist and not be a vocalist, right? So I released a song today. It's a reggae song, it's a love song, and it features the vocals of a friend of mine, an artist named Papito Ferguson. So I produced it, my tune, and I also play drums on it. So I'm going to play that right now. Nice song.
What's the
Released
name
today.
of it?
Where You Are.
Oh, that right. Yeah.
Take it away,
Right.
Mark.
Take it
All
away.
right.
Where you are.
Mark Anthony Reid. Take it away.
Hey baby, you got a lot on a plate. And yes, lady, we're gonna make it one day. Trials come, they will only make us stronger. Yeah. Look, success, yes, it's right around the corner. You trust you to be the queen that I need, baby? Yeah. And do you trust that I'm the king to hold your heart, baby? I never let you down. I never let you let me love you forever and ever. 'Cause we got so many oceans to cross, so many lessons to learn, so many lessons to learn, so many memories to go. Oh, yeah. So, baby, I wanna be where you are.
Hey, Mark, that song is lovely. Really, really, really enjoyed that whilst Mark is still playing. Yeah.
Mark, come on back, Mark. Come on back.
Oh.
Where can we find you, Mark, on social media?
So on Instagram, it's
Yeah.
Mark Anthony Reid. ITSMARKANTHONYREID.
Oh.
On YouTube, Mark Anthony Reid.
Right.
Yeah. Apple Music, Spotify, Mark Anthony. Go ahead.
Love it. Love it, Mark. That song is really nice. Thank you so much for that.
Okay.
Thank
It's Mark Anthony Reid. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were saying it's space Mark Anthony Reid.
I'm slow
But no,
No, man,
it's
one thing.
that's
One
what it's
thing.
Mark
The
Anthony Reid.
popcorn, I'm kind of slow
Singular,
today.
yeah.
Yeah.
That's great, Mark. Thank you. And I'm really glad that it's released today. You're in good company because some other persons have slightly unhinged. Buju Banton and Vibes Cartel and Mark Anthony Reid. Love
Dons
it.
and divas and upside down.
Everybody's doing great things. May I release the album next week too? No.
Everybody release an album.
I think so too. And
man.
just quickly big up to Saeed Thomas of M1 and big up to Andrew Campbell who
Oh,
helped me with this
Saeed.
today.
Tell Saeed
Yeah,
Mr.
top
Big
tier,
up.
yeah, man.
All right, Mark.
Yeah, man, him hear you. All right.
Thank you so
time.
much for joining us on the show today. It was our absolute pleasure.
Please, people,
Yeah.
remember to stay safe, check on your loved ones, and even though the Mummy Part 2 is coming back in the sky again, the Sahara Dust, the Part 2, I'm looking for Anuk Sumamun.
It's true.
So
He's looking.
anybody know what should they?
Yeah.
Just should they Jamaica, we all right.
We're all right. We're all right. And I just want to thank you guys so much for tuning in. We, especially Shoy, big up yourself, love messages coming through. We will be back on Tuesday with much more buzz, chat, vibe, mix.
Yeah, stay safe. Wash your hands, mask up, keep your distance. And remember,
Yes.
all this and more
Hey. Yes.
on One Spot Media.
All right.
Hold on. One Spot Media. No, hold on. One Spot Media. Hold on. No, try your fight.